Today, we will introduce the interior of the cabin and air conditioning. As you can see, the interior of our cabin has been renovated and it is very clean. This is the headlight. We can see the little light. The fog light, the horn, and the differential. Let's look at the air conditioning panel. The air conditioning panel needs to be ignited to start. Press the AC and the air conditioner will be turned on. This is the air volume. Press this, the air volume increases. Press this, the air volume decreases. We can take a small piece of paper to test the air volume. This is the temperature, and we can adjust the temperature according to our needs. This is the air duct. It is used to guide air out of the air conditioner indoor unit to different positions in the cabin. Our air conditioners are very good in performance. They work normally and the quality is guaranteed.